guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another fall sweater weather look here. Today I was just so inspired of fall. These sleeves are really long. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow me. I post little random weird stories, and I also did a quick story of my home decor, which probably doesn't matter because it's already gone. But anyways, go ahead and follow me on that, subscribe to my channel and all that fun stuff. So today I was just really inspired with like pumpkin spice latte. I love the fall, I love the colors, and I just wanted to have it on my face today. I don't know what it was. Went for more of a matte kind of browns on my eyes. Of course, paired it with a dark lippy, and this is what I came up with. I was trying to find my cute sweaters for the fall, but I kind of put those aside and I don't really recall where I put them. So I went to my husband's sweater drawer and I was like, well, yeah. If you guys like this look and want to see how I created this, or just want to grab your makeup and hang out with me and create this look together, then please keep on watching. My mom talks really loud. I started using that Grande lashes actually just yesterday in such a long time, and I wake up with like redness around here. Does anyone else get that? I found myself using this Neutrogena Hyaluronic Hydra Boost Water Gel Moisturizer again. I've actually used this many years ago, and I remember this was like one of my first products I featured on my very first video that I posted, or you know, like a makeup video. Anyways, this stuff actually feels really nice and smooth on my skin. So very excited today. I'm going out with my girlfriend today for her birthday. So I'm just gonna use this fresh Nectar spray as a like skin prep or primer. Oh! I guess I couldn't wait for lunch. I had to eat that. Whew. I've been using all my skincare that's in that skin fridge, which I love. So I've been putting all my skincare in there because I used to put it in my kitchen refrigerator, but I found myself using a lot more skincare now that it's here and it's cold, but it just feels so good on the skin. If you guys haven't seen that video, I do a skin fridge tour along with the everyday morning skincare routine. So I'll go ahead and put that down below for you guys if you guys haven't seen it. So today, woo, my skin is so dry. I have so many things to do. I'm getting ready for my trip, but by the time you guys see this, I'm actually already there. So I have to do a waxing. I gotta do my nails at home. I know, look really hideous right now. I actually just cut them. They're nice and short. So I'm a big Essie fan, and I wonder if this gel formulation works just as good. I remember I did a gel set on my nails like many years ago, and I went to Cabo, and it lasted so well, especially with the salt water. Sorry, not Cabo, Cancun. It actually works so well, especially in like salt water. So I'm going to the Philippine Islands, and it's like, yeah, salt water because it's like the ocean. But I don't know how well this gel formulation is. So anyways, comment down below if some of you guys used it before. Just getting ready for my day, waiting for my girlfriend to come pick me up. I'm being hella lazy and using a refill as my brow product. I mean, it's the same thing, it's just not the full length. Literally, this was the first thing I saw, so I just grabbed it. Of course, now I'm looking for a spoolie. Ow! I'm so excited because we're gonna have hot pot today. We always love to have all these food adventures and just try all these new places when we can. Makes it sound like we go all the time. We live in different areas, but we try to hook up as much as we can. She's a mama of 2. I'm a fur mama of 2, so you know how that goes. I'm actually thinking of getting my brows done again. I don't know how I really feel. It's been about 10 years. I'm just so afraid of not getting the shape or the desired look I want. My eyebrows do hold well with color. I mean, clearly the tattoo I had was 10 years ago, but you know how sometimes people tattoo their brows and once it heals, it just literally peels off, and sometimes that skin on certain parts of the body doesn't pick up or hold well. Mine actually does. I guess my concern is, what if I don't like the shape, or I don't know. I don't know. It would really save me a lot of time. I just have to find someone that I trust. I mean, I don't mind filling in my brows every day. Sometimes I get it on pretty good, sometimes I don't. Ooh, my allergies. But sometimes I have it like different shapes, so it's like, I don't know. Maybe I should just get them shaped up again or something. I feel like I don't have enough hair to give myself that nice shape. It's just so thin already that whatever shape I will get, I will probably have to fill them in a little bit thicker like I normally do. I am so excited for fall, guys. You guys have no idea. I love it. So I already decorated my house with all my fall decor. So I'm gonna jump into the 27 by Milk Cosmetic palette. I'm gonna use the color Moxie, and I'll mix a little bit of the Nip Slip into my crease. Why do I feel like I have pumpkin on my eyes? I hear my mom talking of me outside. Something about asking me something? I have no idea. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in with the color. I think I'm gonna go in with that Moxie again with a smaller brush. Ooh, just have another color on here. Now I'm gonna take the color Moonchild and place this all over my lid space. I'm basically just starting right at the crease where that little moon shape is, and I'm applying it downwards to my lash line. What really sucks is that my eyes are uneven. This eye is not as rounded, but it's more of an almond shape, so it's a little bit wider, whereas this side is naturally more rounded. Now I'm like, I don't know if this is all the eyeshadow or if it's just from the Grande lashes that got me like, ah. But anyways, concealer will fix that. I'm just gonna take that same brush again and just kind of diffuse that crease area a slight bit. And I'm gonna go in with a different buffing brush that doesn't have any color and just really diffusing the crease so there's no harsh line. I feel like this MAC brush does the job a little bit better. Ooh, I look so fall and autumny. What the hell? I make up all these stupid words. What the hell is autumny? It's very rustic though. So I'm gonna take the same buffing brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Downtown. Just gonna use this color here and just kind of warm up the crease a slight bit. It just needed a little bit more. I want to darken this a little bit more too. So I really like that matte brown just right at the lid space. Alright, now we gotta get some lashes on so I don't look so crazy. But it's too late, you know? So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I actually bought this because it was buy one, get second half off at Walgreens. I got my normal drugstore mascara, which I really, really love. It's the Maybelline, I was gonna say Juice. It's the Maybelline Mousse Mascara, and that one really does give me a lot of volume. This one doesn't really do much. I feel like I probably have to use additional primer with this. So anyways, let's just go ahead and clean up all this crap under my eyes. Have you guys seen these little individuals? Hella cute. One of my old coworkers showed me this. I usually like to use the Costco ones just because they're very gentle on my skin. But of course I don't sell these in the Costco brand, but look, it's one full sheet. These are so cute. Neutrogena is also a really gentle brand that I could use as well. Hence, I use their moisturizer today and their sunscreen. They're like hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested and everything, so it's actually really safe to use and good for sensitivity. We looking normal now. Feel like I gotta put some more eye cream because I just wiped it off. I'm gonna pop on these oldie but goodie lashes. These are Kiss lashes, my favorite drugstore lashes, and probably like the only kind I really like to wear. This style is called Pixi. Now, being that this eye is a little bit more almond, I have to be really careful how I put this on, otherwise this eye looks really droopy. Oh, I scratched myself. So when I do apply these on, they have to be a bit sticking up. See, that's a little too much, but you catch my drift. A lot of times when I apply these on, I get really close to the lash line, which isn't a bad thing, but I forget that this eye is more wide eye versus open. So this eye is more rounded, so when I apply this on, it's like perfect. So now that the glue isn't completely dried, I can just kind of perk it into place. See how this eye is more perkier? So annoying. Oh my god, is that foundation? What is that on here? No primer today, but I'm gonna jump in with my Mcgrath Foundation. Love this stuff so much. This is in the shade 12, which I think this is my shade. I mean, I've been wearing it. It's not too bad. Definitely have more of a neutral undertone now. But I think I really want to get the 14. I may need to get the 14 if I get some color from my trip. We'll see. Yeah, but this color is not bad at all. I just know that the first shade I got, which was like a 10 or something, ooh, child, so light. And that was after the fact that I came back from Hawaii. Just gonna use the tiniest amount, you see that on there, just for my forehead, because I don't really need it, but it's more for like my nose area. I wanna dab this on and then just feather the rest up here. These sleeves are hella long. All right, I'm gonna jump in with my Shape Tape. This is in the light medium shade. A little too light, I wanna say. Let's just jump into a color that actually works for me. This is the Bare Minerals BAREPRO. So I packed most of my things for the trip, but I still feel like I'm missing stuff. Or I found another pile in our guest room of things that I needed to pack for like just in case things, and those just in case things actually became very important. And I'm like, do I even have space in my luggage? What do you guys think? No? Oh, I heard a dog bark. Taking a new product that I haven't used before, and I got makeup like all over it. This is the Milk Pencil. This is the long wear eyeliner that I thought I just broke, but I think, oh, that's a smudger. Okay, let's do the side. This is the pencil side. It looks like a gel liner. Actually glides really smooth. All right, so I'm gonna tight line my upper lash line. Not too shabby, guys. Oh. I'm gonna take a smudger brush and we're gonna take the color Moxie and Nip Slip, and I'm just going to wipe off this concealer chunk that's on my lip and outline the lower lash line here to kind of pair with the top. Yeah, we're going for that smoky today. I usually like to start like here rather than here, and I just kind of follow that line so it kind of looks like a little line-ish. I don't know how to explain that. Just a little angle. Let's get a little darker. Jumping in with that color Moonchild again, and I'm just going to focus it ever so lightly again at the lashes. I feel like I have to like really open my eyes for this. Tiny eye problems. Going back with that gel liner, I'm gonna take that same mascara and rim my lower lashes too. I'm really digging this look. This is a perfect fall look. It's just a matte smoky brown with some warmth terracotta, burnt siennas. Oh my gosh, it just feels like a pumpkin spice latte on my face. The eyes are really cute. I love the warmth to it, but you know, that smoky matte look just gives it that classy smoky glam. It's not too dark and black, just with the eyeliner and extra mascara and lashes just darkens it a slight bit without using too much black. Now the lips, I really love the combination of this with this brown liner. I didn't do too much of a shimmery highlight. It's literally just matte. Focus is just on the eyes, of course the inner eye corners and the highest points of my face. But I'm really digging this look. What do you guys think? I'm really rocking this sweater. It's not mine. Actually trying to make this video like a cute sweater weather kind of makeup look with like a large turtleneck that's like nice and flappy, but I couldn't find it, so I opened my husband's drawer and I was like, this will do. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I'll go ahead and put some video links down in the info box for you guys if you guys haven't seen it. Maybe my traveling one or my skin fridge or other stuff that you guys haven't seen. I'll put one of the videos that you can click at the end of the video somewhere around here, and of course also in the info box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!